Welcome back to Quiz with Jenny, your one-stop channel for fun, facts, and learning. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmos with an exciting quiz about our incredible solar system and beyond. From mysterious planets to breathtaking celestial phenomena, we've got some stellar questions to challenge your inner astronaut. So buckle up and get ready for a galactic adventure. Let's explore the universe. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars, Venus, Jupiter. Mars is called the red planet because of its reddish appearance, which comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. What is the largest planet in the solar system? Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus. Jupiter is so massive that it could fit all the other planets combined inside it, and still have room to spare. What planet is closest to the Sun? Venus, Earth, Mercury. Mercury. Even though it's closest to the Sun, Mercury isn't the hottest planet. Which planet is famous for its beautiful rings? Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. Saturn's rings are made of ice chunks and rock, some as small as a pebble and others as big as a house. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mars, Pluto, Mercury. Mercury. Small but mighty, Mercury can reach scorching temperatures of 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. Let's blast off to the next mind-blowing question. Which planet is known as the evening or morning star? Venus, Mars, Saturn. Venus is so bright in the night and early morning sky that ancient civilizations thought it was a star, an ancient guide for travelers. What is the Sun primarily made of? Hydrogen and helium, oxygen and nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Hydrogen and helium. The Sun is a giant ball of hydrogen and helium, with hydrogen making up about 74% of its mass. What phenomenon occurs when the Moon passes between the Earth and the Sun? Solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, equinox. Solar eclipse. During a solar eclipse, the Moon perfectly aligns with the Sun, creating a breathtaking ring of fire effect or plunging areas into temporary darkness. Which planet spins on its side? Uranus, Neptune, Venus. Uranus is the quirky planet of the solar system, rolling like a barrel instead of spinning like a top. What are the icy bodies that develop tails when near the Sun? Meteors, comets, asteroids. Comets are often called dirty snowballs of space. As they approach the Sun, their icy surfaces heat up and release gas and dust, creating those spectacular glowing tails we see in the sky. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Saturn recently surpassed Jupiter with 105 moons. Imagine naming all of them. Hold on tight, the next question is going to be stellar. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Venus, Mercury, Mars. Venus. On Venus, one day lasts 243 Earth days, but its year is only 225 Earth days long. What planet is famous for its bright blue color? Uranus, Neptune, Earth. Neptune. Neptune's vivid blue hue is due to methane gas in its atmosphere. Talk about style. Which dwarf planet is located in the asteroid belt? Pluto, Ceres, Eris. Ceres. Ceres is like a cosmic smoothie, a mix of rock and ice, right in the asteroid belt. What is the name of the boundary where the sun's solar wind stops? Heliosphere, Heliopause, Kuiper belt. Heliopause. Heliopause is like the sun's invisible bubble wrap that separates our solar system from interstellar space. What is the name of Mars' largest moon? Deimos, Phobos, Ganymede. Phobos. Phobos is so close to Mars that it orbits the planet 3 times a day. What is the main gas in Jupiter's atmosphere? Oxygen, hydrogen, methane. Hydrogen. Jupiter's atmosphere is mostly hydrogen, making it more like a mini sun than a planet. What is the icy boundary of our solar system called? Kuiper belt, Oort cloud, asteroid belt. Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is like the solar system's chilly backyard, filled with icy comets. What is the name of the galaxy closest to the Milky Way? Andromeda, Triangulum, Whirlpool. Andromeda. The Andromeda galaxy is a whopping 2.5 million light-years away. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide, forming a new mega-galaxy. Get ready, space explorers, for another cosmic challenge. Which planet has the strongest winds? Neptune, Jupiter, Saturn. Neptune. Hold on tight. Neptune's winds can reach speeds of 1200 miles. What is the largest moon in the solar system? Titan, Ganymede, Europa. Ganymede. Ganymede is larger than Mercury. It's like a mini planet orbiting Jupiter. Which planet has the nickname Ice Giant? Uranus, Neptune, Saturn. Uranus. Uranus might be freezing, but it has a heart of gold, literally, metallic hydrogen. What planet has the great dark spot? Neptune, Uranus, Saturn. Neptune. The Great Dark Spot is like Neptune's version of Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a colossal storm. Which celestial body is sometimes called Earth's sister planet? Venus, Moon, Mars. Venus. Venus is almost the same size and mass as Earth. Its surface is hotter than an oven, due to a runaway greenhouse effect. What is the term for a comet's tail made of gas and dust? Iron tail, plasma tail, dust tail. Dust tail. A comet's dust tail is formed when the sun's heat causes the comet's surface to release gas and dust, which then gets pushed away by solar radiation. This tail always points away from the sun. Ready to orbit around some more exciting trivia? What is the smallest moon in the solar system? Phobos, Deimos, Amalthea. Deimos. Deimos, one of Mars' moons, is so tiny that it's about the size of a large city. Imagine a whole moon you could walk across in a day. What is the main component of the sun's energy production? Fission, fusion, radiation. Fusion. The sun's core fuses hydrogen into helium, releasing energy that takes thousands of years to reach its surface. What is the name of the line that divides day and night on a planet? Horizon, terminator, meridian. Terminator. The terminator line sounds intense, but it's just the boundary between sunlight and shadow on a planet. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, Mars. Venus. Venus's thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide traps heat, making it hotter than Mercury, with temperatures reaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees centigrade, due to a runaway greenhouse effect. Which planet has the shortest day? Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune. Jupiter. A day on Jupiter lasts just 10 hours, imagine rushing through breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here comes a question that's truly out of this world. What is the coldest planet in the solar system? Neptune, Uranus, Pluto. Uranus. Uranus holds the record for the coldest temperatures, dropping to a bone-chilling -371 degrees Fahrenheit. Which planet has the Great Red Spot? Jupiter, Mars, Neptune. Jupiter. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is like a giant cosmic storm that's been raging for at least 350 years. It's so massive that it could fit 3 Earths inside it. What is the bright path in the night sky made up of stars? Orion's Belt, the Milky Way, Andromeda. The Milky Way. The Milky Way is our galactic home, made up of billions of stars and stretching 100,000 light-years across. What planet has clouds made of sulfuric acid? Venus, Mars, Saturn. Venus. Venus's toxic clouds make it a deadly but beautiful place. Talk about a no-fly zone. What is the region where most comets originate? Oort cloud, Kuiper belt, asteroid belt. Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is like a cosmic deep freeze, home to icy bodies that become comets when they warm up. Brace yourselves, the next question is light years ahead. Which planet was discovered using a telescope in 1846? Neptune, Uranus, Pluto. Neptune. Neptune was the first planet discovered by mathematics before being seen through a telescope in 1846 by Johann Galle. He used calculations provided by Urbain Le Verrier, who predicted Neptune's position based on irregularities in Uranus's orbit. What are Saturn's rings mostly made of? Ice and rock, gas, dust. Ice and rock. Saturn's rings sparkle because they're made of water ice, some as clear as a snowflake. What planet takes the longest to orbit the Sun? Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Neptune. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to complete one orbit, so a year there lasts a lifetime. What is the name of the largest volcano in the solar system? Mount Everest, Olympus Mons, Mauna Kea. Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons on Mars is so big that it could cover the state of Arizona. That's one massive volcano. Which planet was demoted to a dwarf planet in 2006? Ceres, Eris, Pluto. Pluto. Pluto may have been demoted, but it will always be a fan favorite in our hearts. Wow, space explorers, you've made it to the end of our cosmic journey. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed today's quiz and hit subscribe for more out of this world quizzes with Quiz with Jenny. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious. Thank you and bye for now.